Today we're gonna be riding our hoverboards. Yesterday, remember when I told you that we were maybe gonna do survival, but I didn't want to, so because it was too cold, and as you can see, there's snow, and that's why we can't. I told my mom, but nah, she said we can't. Right now it's like night, like I don't know, it's very cold. I barely showered and I'm outside. I just wanted to start this video because I was bored. And I don't know what me and my brother are gonna do, but my brother's vlogging right now, so I'm gonna ask him what to do. Brian, what are we gonna do?
Going to the creek.
To the creek?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Or just ride around on a hoverboard or go to the bus stop.
To the bus stop?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now we're gonna go to the bus stop, as you heard Brian saying.
Yeah. Okay.
We're both vloggers, so it's pretty cool.
I have a GoPro and it's going to vlog on me, so I'm first starting.
But if you have a Razor Hovertrax 2.0, comment down below. They're pretty cool. They're not that bad.
On the bus.
He's gonna stop his videos and put it back, but I'm gonna vlog all the way because there's really nothing to do while you're riding the hoverboards.
Exactly, that's what I thought too. And also, you don't have a good position of your phone. They're not gonna see you good.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, but nomás andan viendo ahí.
No?
Dude, the whole thing like this or something. Yeah, like that.
So, I don't know.
Guys, comment down below. What's better of a position of holding his phone? Like this
or like that?
or like that? Comment down
I
below.
think this.
If you think
I was like this.
exactly, just keep the phone in one place or rush it on the edge.
But it's very cold. My ears are frozen.
Mine are not because that's how
He has a hoodie, I don't. And comment down below what our merch should look like. Our merch. Well, my merch. Because I'd want a merch so I can like give you guys, and maybe we're gonna be giving away Nerf guns or what, Brian? Nerf guns or something else. We have to think what else. And comment, subscribe, and give this video a like so you can get a Nerf gun. And the Nerf guns are pretty cool.
Hey, when we get to the house, I'll show you. And that dog looks like it wants to chase us.
That dog over there.
Yeah.
It's a white and black if you could see him.
I'm out.
Right now, we're close to being to the bus stop. And just telling you, if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't.
Vlogs are about to be lit.
Yeah, they're lit vlogs. We're gonna maybe upload vlogs every day, every morning, and I don't know, maybe every day, every time. We're just gonna keep on vlogging. It's cool. Right now we're at the bus stop. There's a truck. It might be loud. There's a truck, look. We're crossing by it. Right now we're at the bus stop. Yesterday we tried to off-road with these hoverboards on that sand or dirt or soil. I think it's dirt. And my hoverboard couldn't do it. That's what was the worst about it.
Remember when your home
Yeah,
got
that's what
stuck
I'm
in that
talking
dirt?
about. That.
Look.
Look, this is maybe the hole isn't there yet, still, but let's go and check. I started like over here. Oh, there's the hole. That's the hole, and there's another one.
It's like frozen, huh?
Yeah, it's frozen.
Let me see.
But right now, see, look, guys, he's stuck.
Oh.
But we don't really care if our hoverboards break because we can just go to Walmart and get another one. Because we have the insurance, whatever, and we can do it.
Okay, let's go.
So, you guys might not know where we live, and that's private information, but just comment down below where you want us to go. Like, I'll show you pictures when we're like going. Like, do you want us to go over there? Comment down below.
I'm gonna go into the snow, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna go into the snow on that path, as you can see. I don't think we're gonna make it. My hoverboard was known for off-roading on snow.
Mine is. What are you talking about, man?
Because yesterday, you know that I was off-roading on snow,
Yeah.
and his hoverboard got stuck and mine didn't. Mine kept on going, and that's why I think mine is a better off-roader. So, oh my God, look at that! He's making it. But all that snow, I'm going right now. It's pretty hard. Oh, this is where he got stuck. Oh, this is hard. You can see me moving. It's like bumpy.
And it's slippery, dude.
Yeah, it is. Look at that.
Look at the wheels.
I know. Look at him go. Look at me go. You should. The hoverboard. This hoverboard Razor. It's pretty cool. It's. You can off-road on snow.
Gotta get them.
Look at that. That's bad. And right there. See, his hoverboard still gets stuck and mine doesn't. Even if I stop.
Dude, what are you talking about, man?
It's a pretty nice day. I don't know. Good day. And I bet you're having a good.
I found a dinosaur egg.
I'll make your day better if you see these vlogs. Because they're lit. They're lit and they're lit every day. Look at this. This is like very hard snow.
Snow.
This is hard snow.
This is like big snow.
Yeah.
Not big snow.
But it's big. It's deep. Look at that. He can't make it.
You need to learn how to vlog.
Because you're vlogging.
This
is barely my second day vlogging. Whoa! Look at that! Oh my gosh! I'm trying not to get this dirty, but look at this. I'm getting it as dirty, very dirty. This is cool. And right now, comment down below what we should do. If you wanted to go down that hill, it would be very nice to go down it or go up it. Try to go up it. So yeah, comment down below. If you just want us to ride or do something else, because I think this is boring just seeing it just go through the same parts. And as I said when we were coming, subscribe if you haven't, because if you haven't, why? And comment down below, who is better, Logan Paul or Jake Paul. If you're Jake Pauler, I don't really care. I like it too. But, and my brother's off-roading on the snow, if you can see him. I'm over here off-roading on the grass, and I'm over here struggling to get up on this hill of snow. He's not even struggling. I can go through there like fast. I don't need no help. He needs some help. He needs some milk right now. And this is very smooth road. Look at him. He's off-roading. What are the videos that you want us to do? Like what videos? What kind of videos? Like what do you want us to do on those videos? It would be pretty cool if you guys told us what to do. But if we're gonna do it, it has to be with a hoverboard, which I'm a savage and I gotta do this. Go up that. What happened? His hoverboard rolled or something. Because I'm a savage, I'm gonna do that. That hill right there. It's gonna be pretty hard. With this Razor hoverboard to hover track 2.0. It will be hard because this can't even go up almost those bumps. Now I'm gonna go through this track. Let's see how it is. Brian thinks that his hoverboard is getting busted. Do you think that, guys? Because it was making like a noise of do you know when like it's like when it rolls it like automatically turns off and like it like makes that noise?
It's not even looking at you. Like, dude, you're shaking the phone a lot.
I'm going through those rocks. Brian, you want to go to the creek or do something over there? Okay, he wants to go over there. Mine didn't. Mine is gonna do it because you know how I said it's off-road. My hoverboard is off-road. My brother Brian said that he said keep dreaming. Comment down below if you think my hoverboard is better or his. Comment down below Brian or Adele. Which my name?
Below, who has the best control?
Well, yeah, that's gonna be Brian. I don't have that much control of the hoverboard. I felt very bad and oh my gosh, it hurt. But I didn't cry. And I don't know what to do. I'm just following my brother. He's not vlogging no more. And I might end this video right here.
No, you shouldn't end it. Stop it right now. Yeah, stop it.
Okay, I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna stop this video right here. Or should I, Brian?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it right here and I'm gonna come back, okay? See you.